Hello, folks. I welcome you all to the episode number 12 of Walk the Stock. Now, before I go over to the stock for today, what I have selected for the analysis, I just wanted to talk a few words about what's happening in the markets. So, as all of us know, the markets have been falling for the last 3 or 4 days. There has been a deep FII selling which is going on, and for whatever reason, the markets are showing a sharp fall. Now, for traders and analysts like us, it is very interesting times, or very challenging times rather, where we need to still pick up some stocks for swing trades. So, therefore, accepting the challenge, I have come in front of you today and with a stock from the auto ancillary sector. Why auto ancillaries? Because autos have been doing, as a sector, has been doing fairly okay in the last 1 or 2 months. So, basis that, I thought let's let's pick up an auto ancillary stock for today and analyze it. So the stock which I've come with today for analysis is none other than Jupiter Wagons. Now Jupiter Wagons has been showing some kind of bullish momentum in the past few days. It's been making consistent higher lows, but has been resisting at a point for the past 6 months or so. I guess, if I'm not wrong, starting August, which we'll see in the charts in a while from here. So, starting last year, August 2023, August, it's been resisting around the same point. The stock has made a good up move today. While the market has been so challenging, it has made a good up move today of 2.94%, roughly 3%. So the stock is trading today at 420 rupees. The beta, of course, of the stock is a little on the higher side, which means it is sitting at about 1.45. And the market capitalization of Jupiter Wagons is 17,300 crores. Well, in fact, today it made its all time high of 448.85 rupees as well. I've been watching the stock for a couple of days, so I thought the right time I analyze the stock for you. So, without wasting any time, let's deep dive and analyze Jupiter Wagon as to what is in store for us with this stock in the next few days or few weeks. Let's go into the charts. Okay, folks. So, let's deep dive into the weekly chart of Jupiter Wagons. As you can see here, the Jupiter Wagons has been resisting in the past, uh, starting August of 2023, and then again January of 2024, and now again for the past 3 weeks it has been resisting around the same zone, which is basically telling us that if the stock is making higher lows but resisting against the same zone, there is good amount of bullish momentum which is forming up. Volatility contraction is happening, which also means to say that it's time that this stock could break out and give you a nice little up move. We also see that the 22 and the 44 weighted moving averages are traversing right below the price chart, right below the prices rather, and of course the bullishness is getting confirmed from the point of view that the stock is way above 200 EMA. Let's look at something more here. Let's try to drop this chart down to daily levels, and let's see what's happening at the daily level. So, as you realize that the stock has made a move of 2.94% just today and made an all-time high of 448 rupees. So basically it has gone way past this resistance zone, but at the end of the day it closed within the resistance zone, which is a little bit concerning for me, but then it's still fine because it is still traversing within the uh, within the resistance zone, and it is clearly making higher lows on daily basis. So I'm still fairly bullish on this chart. Now let's quickly look at some of the other indicators, what they have to say. So here we are. The RSI is gone above 60, which means the stock is catching some good momentum. The ADX is showing a great trend strength. The blue line is already above the reference line of black reference line, dotted line of 20, and the green line is nothing but the positive DI, which is the directional index, positive directional index. So both are above 20, which means that the ADX is showing some good trend strength on the upside. Let's look at the next indicator in line, which is very important indicator for us. It's the relative strength, and the 55 days relative strength are around the broader index, which is the Nifty. For this stock, the stock is performing better than the Nifty, which is again the good news for us. And coming to the on balance volume, the on balance volume is showing an up move with the prices going up consistently. So which means there is some traction in this stock, and a little bit of up move could throw the stock up, and it could just show a very good rally in the upcoming days. So I am fairly bullish on this stock, and as it is, as I said, that the auto sector has been performing fairly well. Now also let's look at some of the projections in terms of the targets. So my favorite, I'll open up the fib extension tool, drop the fib extension tool at these levels, and see where do we stand. Wow, we're already sitting at the golden zone here. We're already sitting at the golden zone, and as I said, one up move on between this golden zone and the resistance confluence could throw us up and give us some good targets of 460 and 520 and so on. So I would like to just keep the stock on my watch list, in my radar, and see if in the next few days or few weeks the stock shows some good up move and give us that alpha what we look for in swing trade from stocks like these. I hope you would have liked my analysis. As I said, it's been a challenging period for all analysts because the market's just kind of going down. At the same time, we're trying to figure out a stock which could show a relatively good up move. So having said that all, let me tell you, this is my analysis. This is only for your education purposes. Kindly do not take any positions in these stocks without checking with your financial advisor, and also without doing your analysis. Do not make any positions in these stocks. This analysis is just for educational purpose, just to for you guys to know how we look at these stocks and how we take positions in these stocks if required be. So I'll keep this stock in my watch list, and we'll try to see what happens to Jupiter Wagons from here in the next few days or few weeks. I hope you like the analysis. I will see you soon tomorrow again with yet another stock. Thank you for today. Thank you for listening to me. And please, if you like this kind of analysis from us, from iFinStrats, kindly share, subscribe, and like my videos. I really need your comments, your likes, and your subscriptions so that we are more motivated to make better and better and better videos. Thank you so much. You have a very nice day.